Welcome back to Insidious Archives. Today we will be looking at another 3 scary moments caught on Ring doorbell cameras. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to thank all of you for the support on the first Ring doorbell video I posted. If you'd like to watch that video, I'll put a link in the description. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one. Enjoy! In this first video we see what we think is just an ordinary delivery man doing his job, taking a picture of the package he was trying to deliver. But just as it seems like everything is going well, the fake delivery man pushes the owner of the house out of the way and 3 other armed men who were hiding in the bushes jump out and all break into the house. You can hear how terrified the residents of the house were by their screams. Here is the footage.
I've got a parcel for you, mate. Dude, I'll put it on your door and take it because coronavirus. Yeah. Hey! No!
As we just saw, something like this happening is extremely terrifying and people were hurt. The intruders have gone to prison. However, this whole altercation could have been avoided if the homeowner checked their camera and waited for the delivery man to leave. Also, delivery workers usually will not deliver packages late at night, so if you ever have someone delivering something late at night, make sure to always wait until they leave before opening your door. This next video is a weird one. In the video we can see a man knocking on the door of a house and the man seems like he could be on drugs by the way he acts. Once the homeowner opens the door, the man casually just walks in the house. The homeowner was confused and told the man to leave, however the man did not leave, so the homeowner pushed the man out.
Hello.
Hi.
How far are you, sir?
Who are you?
Everybody knows. How far are you?
Good. You need to leave.
How far?
Out there.
What's the reason stairs are?
What?
What's the stone stairs are?
Come on, where are you going?
What's the stairs are?
Goodbye, you.
As you just saw, the man slammed his hand against the door when he was pushed back onto the porch by the homeowner. This video shows never to open your door to strangers, as we do not know what their intentions could be. This video could have ended way worse if the homeowner did not push out the man when he did. This last video is really scary even though it's not a person at the door. If you are scared of snakes, you have been warned. In this video we can see a snake slithering at the top of someone's door. The snake slithers down to the door handle and this video really gives me the creeps. As you just saw, the snake fell down but ended up slithering back up. If I opened the door to a snake, I don't know what I would do. Thank you so much for watching Scary Things Caught on Ring Cameras Volume 2. If you'd like to watch the first volume, you can find the video link in the description. Thanks again for all the support recently, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.